What's up, everyone? Alex Quin here, and you're listening to Hustle Inspires Hustle. Our podcast is designed to bring you the latest insights on business, marketing, and self-development. In this episode, we're talking about a brand that has shaped digital creativity for decades, Adobe. From revolutionizing design with Photoshop to leading AI-powered creative tools, Adobe has been a powerhouse. But as AI and new competitors rise, is Adobe's dominance at risk? Let's break it down. Before we dive in, I have to share something exciting. At the Sundance Film Festival, I got a quick sneak peek into the future of creative possibilities. Adobe showcased some of their latest innovations in video and editing through Premiere, pushing the boundaries of filmmaking, design, and digital storytelling. They're keeping up with the AI revolution as competition heats up. Adobe started in 1982. Their mission? To revolutionize the way people create and share digital content. They launched PostScript, a game-changing innovation that laid the foundation for digital publishing. By the late 80s, Adobe had introduced Photoshop, Illustrator, and eventually Acrobat with the now iconic PDF format. Fast forward to the 2000s, Adobe took a bold step by shifting from traditional software sales to the subscription-based Creative Cloud model. This move locked in long-term users and created a steady revenue stream. But with every great innovation comes challenges. Today, Adobe is facing one of its biggest shifts yet: artificial intelligence. AI-powered tools like Adobe Firefly are making it easier than ever for users to create high-quality designs, edit videos, and generate marketing content with just a few clicks. But Adobe isn't the only player in the space. Canva has democratized design, allowing anyone to create stunning graphics without needing professional software. Figma shook up the industry by making design collaboration seamless and cloud-based. CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, and LumaFusion are making professional quality video editing more accessible, challenging Adobe Premiere Pro's market share. OpenAI and other tech companies are building AI-powered image and video generators that are eliminating the need for traditional design tools. With these disruptors offering affordable and easy-to-use alternatives, Adobe is under pressure to keep innovating. Adobe isn't sitting back though. They're doubling down on AI, integrating machine learning into their Creative Cloud suite, and improving automation. At Sundance, they showcased how AI is streamlining video editing, making it faster and more intuitive than ever before. But with CapCut and DaVinci Resolve making waves in the video editing space, offering powerful features at little to no cost, Adobe has to work harder to prove why users should stick with Premiere Pro. They're also expanding their enterprise offerings to maintain their grip on the professional creative market. But the challenge remains. Can they continue to justify their premium pricing when more accessible, AI-driven solutions are emerging in the market? Adobe's story is one of resilience, reinvention, and staying ahead of the curve. But in an era where AI is changing the game, the real question is, will Adobe continue to lead, or will it get disrupted by the very innovation it helped create? What do you think? Hit me up on social media and let's talk about it. If you got value from this episode, make sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share with somebody you think needs to hear this. Thanks for tuning in to Hustle Inspires Hustle. Until next time, keep hustling. And don't forget, you can support the Hustle Inspires Hustle podcast by visiting our shop at hustleinspireshustle.com/shop.